What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, FLP, Fast Lane Pros. I'm Michael, this is Jonathan. For those that haven't watched our channel before, we're headed to a car meet on the north side of Houston. It's one of the biggest car meets. There's going to be tons of cars out there,
including Lambos, Ferraris, McLarens, and maybe some Bugattis and Chrysler's.
possibly. I know for sure there's going to be some Gallardos out there.
Yeah, and
For sure. So, you know, I'm glad you guys could join us again for another video. Go check out our last video. It's going to be down in the description. We'll drop the link down there. Go ahead and smash that like button. Hit the notification bell so you get all of the videos notifications whenever we post them. And join the fam. Merchandise store is coming soon. It's in the works. I'm working on it right now, putting it together. I'm working with a designer on a logo and designs for t-shirts and caps. So yeah, it's good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. But you know, it's late evening. It's gonna be a nice drive. We're gonna take some dash cam shots.
got the GoPro mount for the suction cup, so it's gonna be lit.
So get ready, because we're about to have some fun. Yeah.
It's got a little lightning, guys, but it's not where we're gonna be, so we are all good. We're actually, what, 3 minutes away? 2 minutes? Yeah. But that car, oh yep, he's going exactly where we're going. And there's, I believe, an Audi R8 in front of him. Let's look at this. Alright guys, we're gonna get side view.
Let's go.
We have made it to the meet. There's a ton of cars here, including a McLaren and a GTO behind me. But we're gonna keep walking around and we're gonna get some more dope stuff. So tag along. Thing's clean. Here, maybe I can brighten up the road. Cobra.
He's gonna give the guy.
What kind of car is that? Got a nice GTR. So this is gonna go right? There's the McLaren, guys, that was actually. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna walk over to the Lambos and stuff. Oh, guys, there's actually a Dodge Demon. This is clean. Man, that car is nasty. This is a cool one. Ferrari.
Let's see. What's up, guys? This is Darvin. We just met him up here. He's got a 5.0 GT.
You'll see it in the video.
He's also got a YouTube channel, so we'll drop the link down below.
And it'll be right here.
TV.
DGAT TV.
Yeah, y'all make sure y'all give him a
DGAT
subscribe.
TV. So check him out. So that's pretty much a wrap for the night. We've seen a lot of cars, some Lambos, some Ferraris. I believe that was a Koenigsegg.
Yeah, Koenigsegg
It
too.
was hard to tell because it was wrapped and he had it debadged. But we will catch you guys back at the house. Check out our next video. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, and we will see you guys soon.
Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap, isn't it? We got a cool, there's some cool cars here, but there's no G8s, nothing that of our kind, I believe. There's some GTOs and stuff.
There was one.
Yep, there's
So-
a GTO. But guys, yep, I believe that's gonna wrap the video up. Why don't you go ahead and roll the up.
Road.